National Assembly Majority Leader Kimani Ichung'wah is mourning the loss of his father, Isaac Ngugi Ichung'wah, who passed away at the remarkable age of 105. The passing of a man who lived for more than a century has drawn widespread condolences from leaders and Kenyans alike, reflecting the immense respect he commanded in life. President William Ruto, in his message of sympathy to the Ichung'wah family, described the late Isaac as an industrious and astute businessman. He noted that Isaac was among the pioneering minds behind the establishment of Kikuyu Town, and that his transformative initiatives not only shaped the community, but also provided much-needed support to the vulnerable. According to the president, his legacy is one that will stand the test of time, woven into the story of the region and Kenya as a whole. National Assembly Speaker Moses Wetangula also paid tribute, describing Isaac's journey as one that left an indelible mark. He emphasized that the legacy of a man who lived through more than a century of Kenya's history would be remembered for generations to come. Wetangula urged the Ichung'wah family to find comfort in the fond memories and the enduring impact of their patriarch. Living to 105 is, in itself, extraordinary, a testament to resilience, discipline, and perhaps a life lived with balance. Yet, Isaac's story goes beyond longevity. It is about a man who chose to dedicate his years to building not just a family, but a community and a town. His life mirrors a generation that laid the foundations of modern Kenya through hard work and visionary thinking, often without the recognition accorded to politicians and public figures. The memory of men like Isaac serves as a reminder that Kenya's strength has always been rooted in ordinary citizens who lived extraordinary lives of service. His passing is not just a private loss for the Ichung'wah family, but a communal one, given how deeply his contributions shaped the lives of many. We join the nation in sending heartfelt condolences to Majority Leader Kimani Ichung'wah and his family. May the legacy of Isaac Ngugi continue to inspire, and may his memory be a source of comfort and pride during this difficult time.